Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to change water filter for Whirlpool fridge model number WRF560SEHZ00. So the first is, where is water filter located? So on the very top right corner of the fridge is the water filter. So now when you buy your new fridge, you have to install the water filter. Usually new fridge comes with the filter inside, so you can simply install it. And the second is, once you start using it after 6 to 8 months, the filter need to be replaced. And on the main control on the panel here, you will see a notification that will say replace filter in red color. Model for the water filter used is every drop. In this one, it's for brand Whirlpool and number 1. So this one you can get easily from your local hardware store, or you can order it online. You can also use different brands for the water filter. So you just need to do is type Whirlpool and the model number for your fridge, and it will give you the suggestions and options that you can use for new water filters. Now to install your new water filter, take it out of the package, and with the arrow facing up, you just need to install it and push it. When you push the filter, the cap for the water filter spot, it will automatically go down, and you just push it, and you will hear a rush of water going into the water filter. That means it's installed. Now to reset the water filter, you have to press and hold this water filter button here, and it says hold 3 seconds to reset. Hold it for 3 seconds, and it will make a very short, quick ring. That means your water filter has been reset. And also, I highly recommend dispensing 2 to 3 liters of water using the dispenser here, so that it cleans your water filter and it makes it ready to go for your drinkable water. Also, there is an amazing feature in this fridge, that is a fresh flow air filter. So in this one, if you open it, so in that point, there is the air filter can be installed. So the one that came with the fridge, it says refrigerator air filter, and it's more 15x more powerful than baking soda, and it's carbon based. So it's an amazing feature that you don't have to put baking soda in your fridge in the boxes on the sides. You can install it, but it's recommended to be changed every 6 months. So just open the pack here and install the air filter. So, and also there is a reminder for this. Also here on the main control, there is an air filter. So it will show you a sign that it needs to be replaced, and to reset, you just need to press and hold this button for 3 seconds, and it will reset the settings. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helped you, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.